friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Winnie BLV, Mouth of the South. No intro, no outro, just this hoe. How are you today? It's Friday. I know I say this every time I record on the weekend, but not a minute too damn soon. Ooh, I was about to lose it today. I've been about to lose it this week. I felt like the time dragged by so slowly. I don't know. Maybe it's just because we're home. And tomorrow is August 1st. Dude, another not a minute too soon because I have more spring and fall clothes. So it's kind of good that I miss spring and summer being around people because I really don't. I don't know. My summer wardrobe is, it's a little iffy. It's a little whorish. No, I'm teasing. I do have some off the shoulder, but no, I'm kidding. Yeah, I'm jeans and t-shirt pretty much all the year long and sneakers. So yeah. All right. So we got through the birthdays pretty well. As I told you, July is just a month of birthdays for me, 4 to be exact. All my kids, my daughter-in-law. It's a lot, okay? Thankfully, we got through that. Last weekend, we had the last birthday party with a huge cake. I was saying this morning to some people. My love for cake, it's huge. Like, you know how they say, like, a fat kid loves cake. Girl, my love for eating cake is one thing, but I kind of like to roll around in it. I not only eat it, I roll in it. That's how much I love cake. And I don't do it at home. I'm usually in the store when that happens. What? I'm like this. Bitches, I paid for it, okay? I'm kidding. But I do love cake. Like a little more than a person should. I love cobbler too. Neither here nor there. If you follow me on Instagram, that's great. And you saw me do a little tease of a bag that I got from Fashionphile. I just put the charms on there. But let me just tell you, I bought this bag. I had it on Fashionphile layaway or reserve. It is an outlet piece. So I need y'all to be prepared. She's not going to be like a brand new one. She's very far from it. I think I go for quantity over quality a lot of times. Like, I just want a certain bag, and then I'll like buy, if it's really cheap, I'll buy it. So this one was really, really cheap for what it was. I think this bag, brand new, was in the $4,000 range. I didn't pay near that, but anyway, I've already unboxed it and looked at it and everything. I won't bore you with all those details, but let me grab her. Okay, keep it up in mind, guys. It is this. Maybe you guys, I know a lot of people who go on Fashionphile and stalk them like I do, like I used to, like I have been. You probably saw this because this was on sale on the outlet for a long time. It went way down in price. And there are some obvious defects to this bag. Hear me out. So one time I bought a bag on Tradesy. And, whoa, almost did a back bend there. Woo! Look at me, I'm a gymnast. I bought this bag last year, and I've had it for a little over a year now. And this is the bag that sort of got me on, like, you know what, I want to tinker with bags. I want to dye bags. I want to, try to refurbish bags. I just enjoy that. It's very soothing and calming to me. So I bought this bag pretty cheap, and when it came in, it was like this. If you'll notice, there's white. The color has, gone down to the leather on this bag. There are several places that she has been worn, the sides. So that is how this bag came in, this green bag, this Louis Vuitton Epi bag from the 80s that I bought. It was down to the white too. There was no color barely left on the bag. It had deep scratches everywhere. You can still sort of see some scratching at the top, But I re-dyed this bag, and then I resealed it, and I thought, you know what, I didn't do too bad a job on it, so I was like, I really need a project bag, and I don't know why I did it. I'm still not 100% on keeping her. I think what's going to be the difficulty in trying to put some color back in this bag is matching up this bubblegum pink. I don't know. And it looks like someone who stored it with something on top of it, because it has sort of a crushed appearance. If y'all can see. Now, this is the front, obviously, because it has the little doodads on there, right? The back, though, looks much better. If I could switch the doodads, and it does look like you could, but I don't think I can open this up enough. I don't know. Anybody that has this kind of bag, let me know if you've ever refurbished one or whatever. And I also reached out to my girl that does custom painting. My friend who does, you know, paint job on bags, does do a paint job on bags sometimes. She was like, no, I don't know about that. She wasn't real hip on it. But I did contact another lady, and she hasn't gotten back to me. So I don't know. It might be something that even she could do. I don't know. What do you guys think? I got such a good deal on this bag, but then you're like, the reason you got a good deal is because you got a pig and a poke. So I don't know. It's very soft, obviously, because it's been used like crazy. The inside of the bag is not so bad. Even the hardware is, it's okay. It's not like tons of scratches and all that. It's, you know, it's actually better than the leather on this bag. But yeah, the inside, I don't know if they had an insert. I don't know what was going on, but you would think as beat up as she is on the outside that, but no, the inside looks really, really good. I have stuffing in there now, but yeah, not a thing wrong on the inside. There's no staining, there's no pin, but it's dark, so, you know, I don't know. And I can't tell from the date code. It's been kind of worn away, so I'm not really sure what date this came out, but I remember these bags, and they still are very, very, very expensive. So, that is my only, I've never had a Dior anything, authentic-wise saying, but I really haven't, never had any Dior, so, I'm trying to branch out from Louis Vuitton, but then again, also this year, I've been a little crazy buying, so I have vowed, anyway, that's her. That's what I got from Fashionphile, guys. So what do you think? Tell me your thoughts, your hopes, your aspirations, your dreams. So I did touch earlier on the fact that it is August 1st tomorrow. Today I have decided, well, I've been thinking about this for a while, but I'm going to go on a bit of a spending freeze. Autumn would call it a low buy, or a no buy, but I'm going to do that for at least the month of August. Hopefully I can get through August and it'll be fine and I'll go beyond. But I've just gotten a little crazy with my spending, and you know, that's not what it's all about. I need to scale back. Now, I will have some unboxings and stuff of stuff that, of course, I've bought and just not shown you. So those will be coming up all the month of August. But trust and believe, real time, I am not going to spend anything. It's kind of like I was telling somebody today, I was like, it's kind of like when you go on a diet, like you said, like, okay, Monday, right? We always start a diet on Monday. I'm going on this diet and I'm not going to eat anything, but today I'm going to eat everything. So I kind of felt like I would wake up and be like, one more day till the no spend, the buying freeze. I need to buy everything, but I haven't bought anything. And like I said, I'm going to focus my efforts on other things. I bought that bag to refurbish and tinker around with. I'm kind of on the fence with it. I'm not 100% that I will keep it and go on, but the thing I've noticed about my Fashionphile spending is, when I'm spur of the moment, let's say I find something, you know, new or whatever, I will just, oh God, let me go ahead and get it. And sometimes I'll put that on a credit card, but when I do Fashionphile, I pay that off out of my paychecks and stuff. I really like that feature of it. So most of all the reserve stuff that I buy, I don't touch a credit card with it. So my spending is kind of reined in on the Fashionphile reserve part. I mean, I don't know why, but that makes me feel better, but I haven't got anything currently on reserve, and like I said, Mommy's gonna take a little bit of a break from spending for a while. Did I pre-order a bag this month? Yeah, that's still coming. We'll unbox that together. I need to focus on selling some bags, so I've got a lot of things that I need to concentrate on. August, to me, we're starting to get into not really a holiday season, but it's the push. So I need to focus my mind on that. I got through Christmas in July with my kids, so I need to focus on real Christmas now. So yeah, spending, hold me. She's gonna try, okay? She's gonna try. Ugh. Also, guys, I really want to save some money, not only to buy things for the holidays, but I like that. I love the cruise collection pieces that they came out with and they showed last month or this month. I was really into it. I know it's not for everyone. I feel like a lot of people have been like, ugh, that's terrible. People don't like it like me, but I love the little heart bag. I'll show you right here. I just think that is gorgeous. I also loved either one of the Speedies that, I think there's 3 or 4 Speedies, but I in particular love the white that looks like a multicolor to me, and or the black. Both of those are, I want one so bad. So I am going to save money. I think they say that they're going pre-order either October, and then I've heard some essays say December. So I really want to save my pennies for that, guys. I just do. Call me crazy. So yeah, that means break time. Let's put the brakes on, pump them. Just a little bit on the spending, girl. She's gotten crazy. Who am I? Like, I'm no Rockefeller. So there we go. That's everything in a nutshell. I am going to do a tag video Sunday or Monday, and I am only going to tag one person in this, and it's YOTA of YotaStyle. Oh, girl. She says I didn't tag her in the last video. What? She's the first person I tag. I've gotten a little obsessed with YOTA lately, I think. I've got a girl crush. Hate to admit it, but I need to go warn her that she's part of this video. I'm gonna put her picture up here. Ooh, girl, she's looking sexy. YOTA, my Greek goddess. Woo! Oh, God. So that does it for this edition of Unboxing with Weenie Bee LV. Thanks for subscribing and liking. I think my last video, I lost a bunch of subscribers. Where'd y'all go? Don't jump ship now. We're just starting to have fun. Come back. I promise not to be so rough again. I'll be gentle. All right, y'all have a great day. And remember, if y'all see my husband, don't tell him nothing. Bye.